here we are now at the top end of our woodland. This is the furthest point of our boundary. This is the part of the woodland that I'm going to be using for forest schools. There's the path there into the woods, hidden by all the leaves that have come down. And then if we take a walk down, the dog's herring around. Luckily this time of year she doesn't get covered in absolutely everything going. But if we take a walk down, that's one of our massive oak trees with the ferns. And going down, and you can't really see how steep the woodland is until the dog starts careering down it. But right down at the bottom there, if you can hear in the background, is our stream. So it's rather steep, and this is the area here that's going to be used for forest schools. Needs quite a lot of clearing up though. Right, so there's the entrance to our woodland, just to the left of that large hazel and ash. There's the line of the woodland running along the edge of the big field, and this is our largest field at the moment. We are soon going to be dividing it into 2 fields. So that's the view back across the large field, the big field. That ash there that's sticking out is going to be the point of our new hedge line. And as we walk up there's a corner of trees in the middle there, and that's going to be the top end of that hedge line once we've got that installed. So that should be in the next year or so. So we're now almost in the top corner of the big field. There's the gate that we just stood at, and there's the view around the whole of this field and further afield. That's our woodland. There's our shadows. I've got the baby in the sling. I think he's just about fallen asleep though. We've managed to dodge his raspberries so far. There's the dog. We're zooming back through the other gate. If we have a little walk down this way, here's a gate, sort of, a bit ham-hashed, into our rough pastures. Now we've been waging war in these pastures against the hogweed, the nettles, the brambles. This, when we bought it, was absolutely full of them. Most big stands were actually taller than me. I'm 5'4", and they were quite a bit above my head. So this is the rough pasture that we have been clearing, and you can just about see that little elder tree in front. From there down, on that very steep bit of land, we're going to be having some more woodland creation. There's the dog hunting moles, and it's just going to come up to where that pylon is on our land and go down to the stream, which is with the willows up the side of it there that you can see. There's the village in the background. Coming round, this is the bottom edge of our slurry pit, as was. There's our barns, 1, 2, 3 of them, and the wonderful track that James and I worked very hard on at the very beginning.